Hello everyone. In this video we're going to discuss on how to perform a multiple regression analysis using Excel. Let me provide some values here. So basically I will find the value of y using the coefficient x1, x2 and x3. Let me get some values of y here. Okay, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let me generate some random values, that is random. So I'll just get some values here and then perform the regression analysis using these values. So basically I have just used some values here. So now for performing a regression analysis, you shall first click on this data tab here and then click on this data analysis. You will need to click on the regression and then press on OK. Firstly, you will need to provide the input y range, that is basically the range of values of y. Please note that I have also selected the y later here and then press enter. Secondly, you'll need to provide the input x range, so I'll just click on the values of x. Please also note that I've selected x1, x2 and x3. Now because I have selected y, x1, x2 and x3, I'll click on this labels tab here so that it will exclude this from the regression analysis. I'll provide an output range option and then select where I want my output. I'll then click on OK. So you can see that the regression analysis is now complete. The more important values in this summary output is that this r square value and these values, basically the intercept, the x1 coefficient, x2 coefficient and x3 coefficient. The r square value here is equals to 0.575. So it seems that a certain kind of relationship is observed, but it might not be all correct as well. So let us get some values of y for x1, x2 and x3. Let me provide a value of x1 as 1, x2 as 2 and x3 as 3. So if you want to get the value of y for x1 equals to 1, x2 equals to 2 and x3 equals to 3, I'll just click on equals to, take the x1 value times the x1 coefficient plus x2 value times the x2 coefficient plus x3 value times the x3 coefficient plus the final intercept and then press enter. So you can see that the value of y for x1 for these values of x is minus 1.24. You can also check this equation by copying the value of x1, x2 and x3 from this table. For x1 equals to this value, x2 equals to this value and x3 equals to this value, the value of y was supposed to be 1. However, from the regression analysis, the value of y seems to be 4.472. So basically, if you want to get a more proper value of y, the value of r square should be closer to 1. If it is closer to 0, then the regression relationship might not be true. So basically you may deal with false relationship as well. So what you need to focus on is to get a value of r square that is closer to 1. So hope this video helps you in your work. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.